Lepas tu dia datang tengok siapa, tengok dia datang-datang tu tengok ke sini. Dia nak keluar balik ikut sini boleh tak?
There's actually gonna be a parade here, so I might check it out. Is that a ghillie suit? That is a ghillie suit.
Kita ke Pulau Harimau ke tempoh yang sama, kurangnya lebih kurang 10 minit ke 15 minit. Bergantung pada keadaan cuaca. Kalau cuaca okey,
We better ride on a boat. Hopefully I don't puke out blood while I'm running on the boat. Pretty sure that's where we're gonna be entering. Whoa. I'm gonna be using this for the entire boat ride, so if the audio goes bad, I apologize.
hey! Lama dah bang.
We're moving, and we're gonna move very far. The speed on this boat is definitely different than the one that we went to Terengganu. Whoa! Whoa! We are at the Tiger Island, they say, because the shape of this island from the top is shaped like a tiger.
Mewah dekat sini sebab kita boleh main dalam gua. Ni gua harimau. Kat sini dia ada dua bahagian pintu masuk. Satu pintu keluar, satu pintu masuk.
I'm about to go swimming, boys. Boys, I might die on water. Somebody send help. I'm gonna drown. We're in a tunnel. I have made it to the other side. Look at that. I'm gonna enjoy swimming for a couple minutes, and I will update you guys later. Goodbye. Till next time, Tiger Island.
Pada Mersing dia ada mahkota crown dalam air. Bukan atas darat, dalam air dia punya crown mahkota. Macam pelabuhan ni dia lebih pada harta peninggalan lama lah. Siapa yang pandai dengan ayam emas, kat gua lah. Okey.
Yang crown dekat mana?
Dekat Pulau Mersing kan. Terbuang lama ni. Kerabat-kerabat pada tembe lah.
Tanah dia kan.
Di sini dia ada package, dia kira satu malam satu kepala 1,300 ke atas. Dia paling maksimum 3,000. Jadi kita tak pergi pantai pun. Kita cuma main kat tengah laut lah. Korea dia ni, korea dia warna hitam. Cuma korea dia kat sini dia akan ada bertumpuk sikit. Jadi kalau korang nak tengok korea, kena pandai merayap lah. Kena berenang sana, berenang sini. Kalau nak pergi pantai boleh. Pergi pantai, tapi pandai pergi pandai balik agak.
Berhentian saya jumpa segini.
Dekat bawah tu. Ya bang, saya pun jumpa betul saya dia pusing kat bawah. 3-4 ekor. Oh, tahu gini ah. Saya diving bang, betul pada bot ni saya jumpa. Tapi dia tak berani dekat dia.
Dia tak akan mengacau orang.
Tak berani dekat. Cuma dia suka ni tak.
Kacau-kacau orang.
They also say they sell burgers here, which I really don't want to eat. Any food that is too heavy, because you know I don't want to throw up while being on the boat. There it is. In all honesty, if I have the chance to create a red SMP trailer here, I would definitely do it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are ending the trip here. I also got myself a drink. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, to be honest. There's really not much anything we're gonna do later for today. But if there's anything interesting that I can show you guys, I will definitely record it and share it to you all, of course. So but for now, I will end the video here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell to never miss any of my future videos. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.